What's going on, everybody? So this is going to be a video of some exhaust work on the Ls430 for a mild change in tone and remove the resonators and the catalytic. So let's get straight into the video. Alright, here is stock exhaust. Just got it on the plant. Haven't done anything to it. Sorry for the noise, but I was videoing from my phone as I was a little unprepared for these videos. So here's what I've got. Thanks for watching.
Alright guys, so I'm having a 2.5 inch pipe go from the tip of the cat all the way down to the stock exhaust. So I'm getting rid of the third cat and the resonators, and we're gonna see what sound difference we get. I'm not going for horsepower, so alright, so this is the white pipe they're gonna put in, and they're just measuring it out. Alright guys, we've got one done. Alright, now they're welding the second pipe. Almost out of here. Hopefully it's what I want. So I'm not going for horsepower. I don't care if I lose 2-3 horsepower doing this or gain 2-3 horsepower doing this. I want a little bit more oomph, as you can say, in the V8. The quietness is always good, but I think doing this way, this route, it would just give it a little bit more roar, but not too much, but we'll see. Alright guys, well, this is the finished product. Much better.
¿Otra vez? ¿Una vez más?
Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll be putting up another video when I get the intake on. Stay tuned, like, subscribe. I'm going to keep updates on the Ls430, see what I do, show you guys, share it, and thanks.